Shangela, it's time to go to the groomer. You have to get ready to do real tips. Real tips. No. Real tips. No. Real tips. Here. Where is she? Shangela, you're late again. Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips, Season 3. And this year is very exciting because we have a ton of tips for you with even more specialists to interview and up-to-date information about Denver's evolving real estate market. So be sure to tune in on any of our social media feeds, and we're happy to be your free resource for real estate information. And we'll see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.